Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Tausif. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tauritude. And today is a special day for me because I am going to Mymensingh, just a little bit outside of Gazipur, and I'm going there solo, and this will be my first solo bike ride outside of Dhaka. I'm so excited. But first I have to refuel because I'm pretty low. I'll just take a full tank. Whoa, somebody dropped some bananas. And there you are. The station is pretty good. Alright, so my tank is full. It's a Saturday, so I expect the roads to be a little bit free in comparison to the other weekdays. It should be. Okay guys, so this is my destination. Right now I'm around Tongi, Sawal Noor Convention Hall. I don't know if this is visible or not. Alright, so I'm gonna press start. There you go, full dust protection. I've got my safety guards on, knee guards and elbow guards. Alright guys, so I took a short break over here at, I don't know the exact location, this is somewhere on the highway. And the map is showing another 1 hour and 12 minutes left. I had to attend a few calls from office. People are crossing the road all the time. It's very risky. Like if I ride on, I don't know, near about 100 kilometers per hour or even more than that, it's a high possibility of colliding with someone. Tongi to Gazipur city, that was a bit hectic because the road wasn't good there and there was a lot of traffic. But after that, I mean, after crossing the National University, now it's like smooth as butter. Really loving it. So the dawat is over. It was nice. There's this community center in the middle of nowhere. You know what happened that back at the reception, before I was starting, I was wearing all of this gear and everything, and some of my colleagues, they were just staring and laughing, and I don't know, they were just saying ar kichu pora baki ache bhai. I wonder why is there this kind of attitude among people nowadays? I mean, you should understand, people are dying every day riding motorcycles. You should take as much as safety precaution as you can. I mean, that's like a common sense. I don't know what is so extraordinary about this. It's not even that expensive. It's like this gear, this costed me 1,900 taka, so that's it. And this, well, my helmet is a premium one, that's a different case, but then again I have a calculation for that as well. People buy motorcycles worth of 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, near about 3 lakhs, with a registration cost exceeding 3 lakhs. I bought this Benelli with 1,80,000. So I invested 10,000 taka into a helmet. So I think it's all about priorities. You have to understand what's important to you. Is your safety important or something else? Alright, just took a short break of 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, had a cup of tea, and I'm recharged. Also, I was riding for 80 kilometers or something, so needed to give the engine a little bit of rest. So right now I'm at Sripur Gazipur. Dhaka is another 60 kilometers. Alright guys, so finally crossed the airport, which means technically arrived at Dhaka. Whoa. From Gazipur Chaurasta to airport, it was horrible. The road is horrible, the traffic was horrible, oh my god. But anyway, alhamdulillah. Thank you for watching my video, guys. It was a great experience, my first solo bike ride outside of Dhaka, and I've enjoyed it a lot. Apart from the traffic part, of course. Well, I don't think anybody in the world enjoys traffic, especially not people in Bangladesh. It's not possible. I would really appreciate you commenting, and to subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends if you like, and of course let me know what do you think about safety gears.